Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing? I hope everyone is doing wonderful, because today I'm going and harvest broccoli today. I didn't work with nothing to cut it, so I'm gonna break it out. That's a broccoli right there. I mean, this is a pretty nice size. Yes, this other one, I feel I picked this one too. It's looking a little, you know what, I'm gonna pick it because it look like it's ready. Ooh, you have all right, so leave them small one there for come along. Okay, I have a couple more over here that I want to pick, and I want to pick some collard greens as well. You see, when you take care of your garden, guys, I'm telling you, man, you ain't gotta worry. Every 2-3 days you could come in your garden and get something from it. Okay, let me walk, see if there's any more. But so far, that one, no, I'm gonna leave that one. Let me go over here. But so far, I have 3 beautiful broccoli. You see that thing? You see what I do? I harvest this cabbage, so I'm gonna use them use them back for fertilizer. But I already plant kales back in the hole. You see what I'm saying? So I'm keep replanting. So when a crop done, you plant it back fast, because you know the winter is ahead and you don't want the winter. Oh, this one looking nice, so let me pick this one. Yeah, you don't want the winter to take control when your garden is in its prime. So you have to get your stuff them going real early. I'm sorry guys, but I really did not work with no container today, because I really didn't have no intention of harvesting today. But I have a bag over here. Let me get the bag. Tomorrow. Okay guys, so down in the bag I have my broccoli then. Okay, so now I'm going to pick collard greens now, or collards. Some people call them collards, some people say collard greens. But 2 days ago I harvested kale. Yeah, 2 days ago I harvested kale. Now today I'm harvesting collard greens. I also harvest broccoli. I do not really like to cut. I really rather break with my hands, because I feel connected to my plant. Okay, nice bungle, right? Let's go again. I mean, I'm eating healthy for the whole year go back. Because, so let me just put you all there when I finish I pack you all. Every couple days I can come in this garden and pick something. I can get a meal out this garden. This is why honestly I love to plant early as you can. I mean, the weather sometimes in certain places make it difficult for certain people, and I understand, but with me, anyhow the weather give me a chance, I start planting, because these plants could be cold weather. So if they could be cold weather, why not plant early? You know what I'm saying? We in May, early May. And this is about the 5th time I'm in this garden harvesting. I mean, think about it. The 5th time up in here harvesting. And the thing, what I do, I always try to plant as much. So, for instance, if you just want to feel like picking collard greens to cook, you could pick collard greens. You have enough collard greens to pick to make dinner. If you want to pick kale, you have enough kale to pick for make dinner. If you feel like eating spinach, you have enough spinach to cook for dinner. So you got to plant that certain amount that could able for do for your family. So every time you harvest, you have enough. You have more than enough for your family. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Nice bunga, guys. Beautiful. So I have more than enough. But one thing, guys, if you know you want to be harvesting as often as possible, you have to take care of this plant too. Because when you come and you rake off all the leaf, I mean, you got to take care. You got to come back now, soften the root, make the plant feel happy that it can put out more for you. This is how it works. You take care of the plant take care of you. That's how nature works. We have to take care of each other. Man, look the amount of collard greens. Wow. Yes, guys. Honestly, I don't want to pick no more right now. I think this is enough, because I really don't want to put them in the fridge and like stuff like that. I want them fresh. Okay, so that's enough for the day. Another beautiful harvest, guys. Another beautiful harvest. Today I only harvest collard greens. Watch a nice bunch of collard greens right here. So let's go in the bottom, grab some pepper, and that's it. This is how it is, guys. I'm so used to these things that, you know, I mean, I have a lot of knowledge. This is a nice size pepper. This is what you call Italian pepper. See, they start to shoot, they start to get taller now. Yeah, this is what, these are two. So I'm gonna pick these two. Yeah, these are Italian pepper. So they're shooting up now. They have on a lot of blossom. Yeah. So I'm telling you, how much pepper? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pepper in one harvest. In only me. Thank you, beautiful people, for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Blessing and love to all.